Hey guys, it's Maya. So I just filmed this look. It's a quick get ready with me. I talked through it a little bit, but it was just me doing my makeup, you know, getting ready. Yeah, this is it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys like this makeup. I'm feeling it a little. Like at first I wasn't, but now I am. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time. Okay, so the first thing I started out with was the e.l.f. Luminous Matte Makeup Primer, and I don't know, I just like it. It's fine. It's a primer. It like blurs your pores type of thing. And then I'm gonna go in with the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I'm in the shade Tahoe. I have no idea what I'm gonna wear, so hopefully this is okay for my what I'm about to wear. I forgot to say, I went in with the Maybelline Age Rewind in Caramel, and I just did my, like, the highlighting points. And I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me, and I believe this is in, I don't know, I forget. Honey, Birdie Honey. And I'm just going underneath the same highlighting points just to highlight my face. I'm gonna go in with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I'm just gonna set all the areas that I highlighted. I'm just like pressing it into my skin, like I'm not really gonna bake. Then I'm going to take my L'Oreal True Match powder and just set the rest of my face. If anybody has any, Asia, please.
I'm sorry, man. Okay.
If anyone has any recommendations on just setting powders, like face setting powders, I'm very open to it. That will have my shade. That'll have my shade because I'm in need of a setting powder, but I just can't find one that like looks decent. I'm going to be taking the LA Girl Pro pressed powder. Oh my god, and this is in Warm Caramel. I'm just gonna be using this to bronze my face. Bronze tour my face, I don't know. I'm gonna be taking this Pro bronzer from Absolute New York in dark. Looks like this, and it's very dark. And this is like an actual bronzer, like with shimmer and everything in it. So have to be really careful with it, but it's really pretty. So if you get it, it comes in light, medium, and dark. But I got dark because I like being really dark. So I'm gonna take the LA Girl powder again that I used to bronze at first. And look at this. Get out. Anyway. And I'm just gonna contour my nose. Sorry, refs. I apologize in advance. Like, you might be rushing, but you also might not be, considering that it's 4:57 and you have yet to text me. So I'm just assuming that you're stuck in traffic or something like that. Anywho, a mix of raw sienna and burnt orange. This is raw sienna and this is burnt orange. I'm just gonna mix them and put them in my crease. I'm gonna take a little bit of Love Letter, and I'm gonna take a smudge brush, and I'm gonna kind of like line my upper lash line type of thing with this color. I'm gonna take a little bit of golden ochre and tempera and kind of like mix them together. And I'm just going to put this on my lid. And you may ask me why I didn't do this before I did the red eyeliner. I have no idea. I don't know, my eyes aren't symmetrical. It's annoying me, but I'm gonna go in with raw sienna and burnt orange, and I'm just gonna put it underneath here. And I'm using the same brush that I used to smudge out my upper lash line. Let's do this. These two mixed together. And this is from the e.l.f. blush palette in dark. I just got this new eyebrow pencil, and this is from LA Girl. Ooh, okay, there you go. So hopefully it's good. And once again, if you want to ask me why I did my eyebrows basically last, I just don't have an answer for you. I'm gonna set my eyebrows with the Maybelline Clear Mascara. Okay. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. highlighter, and this is an Apricot Glow. I don't know how you pronounce that word. However you pronounce it. It's Apricot Glow. I'm gonna put on some mascara. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. Take a little eyeliner. Okay, so for my lips, I just put on the Ruby Kisses Hazelnut Honey Lip Liner with the NYX London Soft Matte Lip Cream. And then I put on a little bit of Anastasia Beverly Hills Sepia, their lip gloss. So these three. Okay, so I just did my edges a little bit. And this, oh, let me move that. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next time.